stupid. My heart's not. Oh, my heart's beating. No, not even like near the top.
We're the Jet Sisters. Jet-setting sisters, Angie and Rachel.
Traveling millennial twins with vastly different budgets on a mission to inspire folks from all backgrounds to pack a bag and see the world.
Rachel's on a budget.
But Ange has a little extra cash to spend.
See how we tackle the same destination with 2 different bank accounts on the Jet Sisters.
Welcome to Orlando! We have come all the way to Central Florida for this episode of the Jet Sisters.
Okay, not all the way. I actually live here, so it was more like across the street.
Yeah, it wasn't actually a very far drive. So we are gonna play tourist in her town, which should be kind of interesting because this is one of the top tourist destinations in the entire world. So how do you even do that?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. We're not even going to the theme parks. We are not going to Mickey's house. I'm gonna show you an entirely different side of Orlando.
This is gonna be a first for us. We always go to the theme park.
I know,
so,
we're not doing it. Not, yeah.
Is this hat me?
That hat is no one.
But I have a request. Can we change first?
Oh, but you look so cute.
I mean, I'm totally ready, but I got other plans for us today.
Okay, we can change.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's roll.
For my activity, I brought us to Wekiva Island, which is just a little bit north of Orlando. I took us away from the traffic, away from the theme parks to the original theme park of swimming and kayaking and canoeing, and that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna relax in a canoe. Hopefully you won't tip over. You can spend anywhere from $0 to $50. You can just show up, relax in the sun, or you can rent something and you have that rental all day. And I'm really excited just to be in the wilderness, in the quiet, and relax.
Oh, it's nice they have that bar.
The bar is awesome. Oh no, I don't like these.
I told you!
No, I told you.
Don't fall!
Oh my goodness.
We haven't seen civilization in days.
Welcome back.
I'm really glad we're doing an Orlando episode finally because I love Orlando. I moved here a couple of years ago for school. I went to UCF, obviously. And after I graduated, I was like, I don't want to leave yet. Like, I'm not ready. I haven't even done everything that there is to do. And so I just kind of, stayed. And even today, like 4 or 5 years later, I still haven't done everything. I think if you haven't visited Orlando at least once in your life, you need a good couple of weeks to do everything. Theme parks, outdoors, restaurants. I have bad news. We're about to hit a log. Now that we've got back on track, I hope you guys enjoy what we're showing you of Orlando. It's kind of like if you go on a cruise and you just stay on the cruise ship, like, yeah, it's a great time, but you haven't seen the ports. And yeah, you can come to Orlando and do the theme parks, and no one's a bigger theme park fan than we are, but you really just gotta get outside and experience the rest of what it has to offer.
Go Gator. Needed to be done. That's gonna hit you.
No, it's not.
What to do about it.
There is a Wekiva Island and there is a Wekiva State Park. I have been trying to figure out the difference. For a long time I thought it was the same thing and everyone was just pronouncing it differently. But Wekiva State Park is where the spring head is, and then Wekiva is the river. So right now we're on Wekiva River, and you can rent kayaks and canoes at Wekiva Island. But if you want to swim in the spring, you go to Wekiva State Park. Oh, well, fun factoid for you.
We've been trying to figure that out for a
5
while.
years to figure it out, but I had to ask an adult. Recommendation, get a kayak, not a canoe.
Yeah, and get a one-person deal because anytime
Because your sister won't help at all.
some people run you into a pole.
One time, I'm ready to go to the hotel, check it out, and then get some food.
This was fun, but I am definitely starving.
Well, it's gonna be a minute before we eat, sorry. So we are about to check into the Castle Hotel. I chose this boutique hotel because it's super, super close to all the action. It's about 5 minutes away from Universal, 20 minutes away from Disney, walking distance to Topgolf and the convention center. It could not be more centrally located. And I have to introduce you guys to my little baby, Sheba. Say hi. Since this hotel is dog friendly, I thought she would really like it. You ready to check in? Let's go. This hotel has so much charm. It's got a rooftop terrace, a pool, hot tub, gardens. It is such a hidden gem, and it's right here in Central Florida. So, Ange, how did I do?
Oh, this is great. This is like an anomaly in Orlando. There's a zillion hotels here. The hardest part is choosing the right one in a sea of hotels that are pretty great. This is right where it needs to be. This is centrally located. It's cute, it's clean, it's affordable. You did really, really well. I'm so impressed.
Woo! So for dinner, we're going to one of our favorite restaurants in Orlando, Beth's Burger Bar.
So
Yes, it's locally owned and it's dog friendly, so of course we are always there. Maybe we'll get to meet Beth. Hey girl, hey. All right, Sheba, so for sides, we could get fries, tater tots, sweet potato fries, onion rings, or frickles. What do you think? What do you want? Look at that. Don't tell anybody. I bet you can't put all the sweet potatoes in your mouth.
Is that a dare?
It's a dare.
Like at once?
Yeah.
If you think for 1 minute I'm gonna shove all these sweet potatoes in my mouth for you to put on the internet,
Well, you're a baby.
you're wrong. Fine, you put them in your mouth. I don't like sweet potato fries.
Oh, wow. You made a huge miscalculation. You got about 40 more french fries to put in your mouth.
I loved everything that you planned. I love that we got to get outside during the day at Wekiva. I loved the Castle Hotel. Like, how does that exist in Orlando? That was a really good find. And Beth's Burger Bar, obviously,
Classic.
one of our favorite places to eat. I feel like we're here every time I'm in town. So,
I'm ready to go to sleep because I'm sure you have a giant day planned.
well,
for
oh
us.
gosh, yeah, I didn't even think about that. We got to get up early. Good morning. We are up bright and early. We had an amazing day yesterday, thanks to Rachel and her budget-friendly planning skills. Today, we're gonna do things a little more expensive, a little more upscale, a little more my way. And first things first, we are going to Boggy Creek to get on an airboat and do the most Florida of all things. So let's go. Welcome to Boggy Creek Airboat Rides. We are on the edge of the Florida Everglades, which, fun fact, they start in Central Florida, and here we are, just outside Orlando. For my special day, well, you have a couple things you could pick here on the menu. Obviously, I picked the most exclusive one, but if you're here on a budget, you can take a group tour, you can take a private tour. For me, obviously, I need my own boat, and I'm gonna drive it myself. There's a captain, don't worry about it. We're dressed for the occasion. We're ready to see alligators, the biggest ones, obviously. So if you're ready, let's go. Like, going through the grass is really weird. I feel like I'm not supposed to do that. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, these boats, they'll go in just as little as 4 inches of water.
Oh
You
gosh,
can go
you
through
don't
anything.
even think about that. No, I was like, we can't go over there. You killed a duck!
That's one of those moorheads.
Going like
Those birds that sound like they're
fun thing.
I can't believe that has been here in Florida all our lives and we've only just now done it.
Man, that was like the real
That
Florida.
was a blast. We did a 360.
We got to drive the boat.
We got to drive an airboat.
I did way better than you did.
Lies.
The guy said.
No, he didn't.
Yes,
he
he
did not
did.
say that at all.
You guys, there's not just airboats here. There's so much to do.
There's a lot to do. There's a Native American village where you can learn all about the Floridian tribes from a real Native American, super cool guy. Reminds us a lot of our dad, which was really funny, but he taught us a lot today and we weren't even here that long.
Yeah.
There's also a restaurant with great barbecue and things like gator bites. So you kind of should have one of those after you...
You see a gator, you wrestle a gator, you eat a gator.
That's what we did, sort of.
We wrestled one.
Well, come on now, we didn't even eat gator.
Well, you did really good. I think you picked a really, really good activity. And I'm excited to see what else you came up with today.
All right, that was a lot of fun. We're gonna change clothes and I'll take you to our next attraction. And now we're in downtown Orlando, checking into the Grand Bohemian Hotel. This property is right where you want it to be. It's close to the Amway Center where you can catch a Magic game, the Dr. Phillips Center where you can catch a Broadway show, or even Lake Eola where everybody likes to hang out. So let's go check it out and see where the day takes us. Just dancing in the lobby. Come here. Ooh, sparkly. So one of the really special things about this hotel is that there's artwork literally everywhere you look. Every hallway, every nook and cranny, every bathroom has like a gorgeous work of art. Yeah, Rachel is modeling that for us now. They also have Poseidon Spa, which is a top-notch spa. The pool, perfect place to spend a sunny summer afternoon in Florida. Yes, but no, because we actually have to get on to our dining activity, which is coming soon, and I'm starving. I know you're hungry. We've had a long day. So we are going to finish up at the hotel and then head to dinner. We made it through a lot of Orlando and Central Florida without hitting up any like major tourist attractions. So naturally, I had to bring us to the Orlando Eye, also known as the Icon 360, for a progressive dinner party. There's a ton of restaurants here. Why choose just one? Let's eat at all of them, have a drink here, have an appetizer there, have dinner there, and see where the night takes us. I think it's gonna take us on the Star Flyer, which I'm terrified, but let's go for it. Exclusive, luxury, upscale ice cream.
And
that's what I want.
12 people.
We have friends here in this town. We got 12 friends. Come on over, everyone.
Gosh.
Do you want some?
Oh my gosh, we ate so much food.
I'm full.
Yeah,
That's what happens when you go to like 4 restaurants.
14 restaurants.
It really felt like in about an hour. I don't know how we ate so fast.
Never eating again.
Yeah, right.
But you did a really good job.
Thank
and that
you.
was a very special evening
That's
of dining.
a fun way to see one of Orlando's biggest attractions. You're gonna end up here anyway. You might as well come eat all the food.
Can we just stay here?
We get to sleep here overnight.
Yeah, if you guys need us, we'll be here.
We'll be here in front of the eye. Actually, we have one more thing to do. So let's go do it. Rachel's really scared.